Students, next we discuss some question from your textbook. Okay, page number 134. The question number 1 is given that find the following. The first question you do yourself. First question you do yourself. Then some other questions are here. The question number 2. Then we discuss these questions. Okay. Then you write the questions from your textbook. Take the textbook, all of you, and write the question from the textbook. Then we can discuss the first question. First I will draw the diagram there. This is the diagram. Okay. Here the question is to find the vertices of this rectangle. Here this is a given figure. First we can name the rectangle there. Name the rectangle. OABC is the rectangle. Okay, OABC is the rectangle. Here OABC are the vertices of the rectangle. Clear? Then here the vertices of B is given. It's 4, 3. It is given. Here this is x-axis and this line is y-axis. Therefore point of intersection of x and y-axis is origin. Therefore this point is origin. Therefore we can write its coordinate. The coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Then consider this point 4, 3. This 4, 3 means first 4 unit along x-axis and 3 unit along y-axis. Okay, this is 4 unit. This length of this rectangle is 4 unit. Breadth is 3 unit. Therefore we can write the coordinates of A easily. A is a point on x-axis. Therefore its y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is this distance. Therefore it becomes 4, 0. A 4, 0. Similarly the point C. C is lies on y-axis. Therefore its x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is this distance. It is 3. Therefore we can write it as 0, 3. 0, 3. We can write there. Here we can write all the coordinates of the vertices of this rectangle. Okay, this is question number 1. After that you write question number 2. The second question. Second question, the figure is like this. Again a rectangle is here. Here the origin is the center of the rectangle. Origin is the center of the rectangle. First we can mark the vertices A, B, C, D. One of the vertex is given 3, 2. That is, this distance is 3 and this distance is 2. Here this is 3, this is 2. Therefore it is the center. Therefore this distance also 3 and this distance is 2. Therefore we can write other A. A is what? 3 right and 2 downward. Therefore we can write A is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Then we can write D. D is 3 unit left and 2 unit downward. Therefore minus 3 and minus 2. D is minus 3 minus 2. And C. 3 unit left and 2 unit up. That is minus 3, 2. Therefore we can write it as all the vertices are A, 3 minus 2, C minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2. Okay. Then you write next question, question number 3 from your textbook. That figure is like this. A triangle, equilateral triangle is given. Equilateral triangle and one side is along the x-axis and one vertex is origin. Okay, we can mark the other vertex OAB and the second vertex A is a point on the x-axis. Therefore its y coordinate is 0. Then what about the x coordinate? It is this distance. It is given that 4. Therefore we can write it as 4, 0. Then for finding B, first we B, its coordinate is x coordinate is this distance and y coordinate is this distance. Therefore we can draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular line. Therefore we get a right triangle. Right triangle is there. This its angle is 60 degree. What about this angle? 30 degree. Therefore this right triangle 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And its side is 4. This is an equilateral triangle. Therefore this is 4. It is 2. Therefore you can find, normally you can find using Pythagoras theorem. This is 4, this is 2. Otherwise use 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle property. If angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, sides are 1 is to root 3 is to 2. The side opposite to 90 degree angle is 4 unit. Side opposite to 30 degree angle is 2 unit. Therefore, along 60 degree angle, 2 root 3. Therefore, this distance is 2 root 3. This distance is 2. Therefore, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 2 root 3. Therefore, B 2 root 3. Therefore, you can write that A 40, B 2 root 3. Here B is marked by drawing the perpendicular right triangle. Okay, use the trigonometry. Then you write the next question from your textbook. Write the next question from the textbook. What is the next question? This question is the figure like this. It is a what is this? This is a rhombus. Its rhombus is given. This rhombus is consists of not rhombus. It is a trapezium. Sorry, it is a trapezium. This trapezium consists of 4 identical trapezium, small trapezium. Its side is 8. Okay, this side is this length is 8 centimeter given. Therefore, what is this side? It is 4. These two are equal. Therefore, this distance is 4 unit. First, you will mark the point O, A, B, C. Here O we can write easily. O is what? O is origin. Therefore, it is 0, 0. Then A is a point on x-axis. Okay. Therefore, what is coordinates of A? It is 8, 0. Therefore, 8, 0. You can mark it as 8, 0. A, 8, 0. Then to find the coordinates of B. How to find the coordinates of B? Here B, x coordinate is 8. What is y coordinate? Y coordinate is this distance. This distance. This distance is same as this distance. It is 4 unit. Therefore, you can write it as 4. Okay. Then you find C. What is C? C is x coordinate is this distance and y coordinate is this. Therefore, it is 4, 4. You can write it as 4, 4. C is 4, 4. Clear? You draw the diagram and do this problem. Then write the next one. Next question from the question number 6. Question number 6 like that. A circle is given. Here OA, OB. You have to find the coordinates of A and B. What you have to do? First you draw a perpendicular from A to the x-axis. Perpendicular from A to the x-axis. You draw the perpendicular line. What happened? You will get a right triangle. This is a right triangle. Clear? A right triangle is exists. In that right triangle, one angle is 30 degrees known. This is 90 degree. What about this angle? This is 60 degree. Therefore, this triangle 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle is there. The side opposite to 90 degree is 2. Then what is the side opposite 30 degree? It is 1. Therefore, other side is root 3. Therefore, you can mark the sides. This side is 1 unit and this side is root 3 unit. Therefore, you can write the coordinates of A. What is A? This is x coordinate. Along the x-axis root 3. Along the y-axis 1. Therefore, you can write coordinates of A is root 3, 1. Similarly, you can find the coordinates of B. What you have to do? First, you draw the perpendicular from B to x-axis. Draw the perpendicular from B to x-axis. This is the perpendicular line. Okay. Now, you will get a right triangle here. This is 30 degree. Here 90 degree is known. 90 degree. Therefore, total is 180 degree. 30 plus 90, 120. Therefore, remaining angle is 60 degree. It is 60 degree angle. Then what is this? This is 30 degree. 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. This triangle is also an right triangle with angles 30, 60, 90. Then what about its sides? Sides are 1 is to root 2 is to root 3 is to 2. Here OA equal to OB. OA and OB are radii of the circle. This is radius. This is also radius. Therefore, OB equal to 2. Opposite of 90 degree angle is 2. Then opposite of 30 degree angle is 1. Just you mark the sides. This side is 2. Here 1. Therefore, opposite of 90 degree angle 2. Therefore, opposite of 30 degree angle is 1. Opposite of 60 degree angle is root 3. Then you can write the coordinates of B. First 1 unit left and root 3 unit up. 1 unit left and root 3 unit up. Therefore you can write the coordinates B minus 1 root 3. Okay, minus 1 root 3. These are the questions given in your textbook. You write the questions also. Write the question. After that you do these questions yourself. This is question number 1. You write this question, write the question. Here the axes are drawn through the midpoint of this base. This is the midpoint of the base. That is, origin is the midpoint of the base. What are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle? You name them, name A, B, C, like that. Okay, that is question number 1. Then after that, question number 2, diagram is there, a parallelogram is there. Here the parallelogram O, A, B, C. This point you can find along the x-axis. This point also you can find, that's also on the x-axis. This is origin. Therefore, for finding these coordinates, you have to find this distance. This is okay, 2 units. Therefore, you find this distance using 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree right triangle. The same like that. Okay, do this problem yourself as a homework. Okay, study this.